Today, we have with us Shri Deenababu Kundubatla, the Chief Operating and Financial Officer of University of Silicon Andhra for the past 12 plus years. During this period, he focused on several critical initiatives and compliance with federal and state regulations and taxes. He is also the Dean of Sampada, affiliated to Potti Sri Ramulu University. He has been serving Manabadi in the role of Vice President for the last 8 years and is a key leader for its success. He is a strong technologist with 20 plus years of experience with successful Silicon Valley companies. Please welcome Shri Deenababu Kundubatla on the stage to felicitate Niyati and Shri. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. What a day today. I came here from California, but now I look back, I was debating whether to come or not. Now I am thinking what I would have missed if I wouldn't have been here today. What a performance. Congratulations, Niyati. What a performance. I attend a lot of Arangetams, Rangapravesams, but normally this level of performance, the students, when they are into junior year or senior year, they get that kind of maturity. Niyati, she's a 9th grader, and the way she depicted Lord Hanuma in her Shabdam, and the kind of rasas she played in her Varnam, what an amazing performance. I am really, really thrilled, and I am fortunate, I am very honored to have you here. And I'm also proud because Niyati is our student too from Sampada. She graduated in junior certificate in Bharatanatyam, exam conducted by Potti Sri Ramulu University, Hyderabad, in affiliation with Silicon Andhra. Many of you know Silicon Andhra is an international organization, has been in existence for more than 18 years. We have broken 9 Guinness World Records. The Silicon Andhra is established to promote Indian fine arts, so music or dance. We have been in existence for the last 18 years, but not even a single instance we entertained the movie content on our platform. Our goal is to promote the Indian fine arts, Indian literature, tradition and culture to the next generation. I am fortunate again that I am here today, and I want to really thank Sri Garu for inviting me to witness this program today. Sri Garu, I have to tell something about her. When we started Sampada, Silicon Andhra Music Performing Arts and Dance Academy, we just started with 40, 50 students. Today we have 2,000 students, and there are 170 schools are participating in the program. But Sri Lakshmanan Garu, she is the first Bharatanatyam teacher from Texas State affiliated with this program, and she encouraged her students to appear for the exams. Silicon Andhra will always remember this. Silicon Andhra tomorrow might reach the stage that there are 10,000 students in Sampada, like how we have it in Manabadi today. Manabadi is another program, Telugu learning program, very successful program, started with 150 students in 2007. Today we have more than 10,600 students. Across the country, in 35 states, there are more than 2,000 volunteers working. So why I'm telling all these things? We are staying thousands of miles away from our home country, but There are gurus like Sri Garu nurturing our students, next generation, to take this art form, to carry forward this art form to the next generation. And this is a great thing. I also wanted to say something. I talk to a lot of parents and teachers on weekly basis. And a lot of times I hear, my kid is in high schooler, is in 9th grade, 10th grade, oh, she has a lot to do. She can't take one more task like this. Look at Niyati. She is good in academics. I have looked at her profile. She is into horse riding. She is into vocal, learning Carnatic vocal. She is in Bharatanatyam. She also appeared for the certification. If somebody want to write a case study, somebody want to do the case study on the time management, Niyati is the perfect example. If there is a will, there is a way always. That's what elders say. So with that, I don't want to take much of your time because it is her show, her performance. Let us invite her again back. Before that, I want to take this opportunity to give a small memento on behalf of Silicon Andhra Music Performing Arts and Dance Academy because she is our proud student today, performing today. I request Niyati, Sri Garu and Ram Garu to be on the dais, please. I want to read this out before presenting. Silicon Andhra Music, Performing Arts and Dance Academy presents Niyati Ram on the wonderful occasion of your Bharatanatyam Arangetram. Silicon Andhra would like to recognize you for your outstanding accomplishment in Bharatanatyam art form. We wish you all the success in your future endeavors.
Thank you, Dinababu Garu. It means a lot to us that you've taken the time to come from California. You're such a great patron of the arts. You've dedicated your life and career to promoting traditional arts. It is motivating for teachers like us. We hope to impart training in both academics and the theoretical and the practical aspects of Bharatanatyam. There is an excellent syllabus which guides us, and I think the students benefit a lot. Niyati was the first one to take the level 1 and 2 exams, and she's passed the junior certification. It's so wonderful and so nice of you, and the trophy was also amazing with Niyati's photo and the wonderful recognition. It means a lot to our dance school, and we would like to present you a small trophy from our behalf. Thank you.
Today on Natuvangam, we have Sri Lakshmanan. Guru Sri Lakshmanan, an accomplished disciple of Dr. Kalarani Ramachandran, established Natya Shrishti School of Dance in Texas to impart training in the traditional Pandanallur style of Bharatanatyam. Apart from teaching the traditional repertoire, she has choreographed and staged dance productions including Venkateshwara Vaibhavam, Shakti, the Divine Mother, and Isha, the Five Elements, all of which have received accolades and critical acclaim. Being a firm believer that art in any form knows no boundaries, is limitless in its scope, and encompasses all activities of life, she has collaborated with other renowned teachers for various fundraising programs. Shri considers it a blessing to teach this divine art form and strives to achieve her goal of providing her students a solid foundation in the art that would set them on the path of self-discovery, knowledge, and a heightened awareness of the world around them. On Natuvangam, Shri. And now I request Shri Dina Babu Kondabatla to felicitate Shri. On vocal today, we have Poyakkudi G.R. Praveen. Poyakkudi G.R. Praveen is a disciple of his grandfather, Kalai Mamani Shri Poyakkudi P.V. Ganesha Iyer. He has been singing classical music for the past 15 years. Praveen has participated in many festivals of music and dance, including Delhi Tabal Sangam, Bombay NCPA, Bharat Kalachar, Mylapore Fine Arts. He has also participated in all the major dance festivals of India and abroad. He has been awarded Isai Kalaimani from Coimbatore Government Music College and awarded Nada Gana Kalaimani and also Mayura Gana Kalaimani from Mayura Natyanjali. Vocal, G.R. Praveen. Accompanying G.R. Praveen on vocal is Aarti Govindarajan. Aarti Govindarajan, founder and director of Sri Ranjani Academy of Fine Arts, Chennai, has been teaching Carnatic vocal for the past 7 years. She started her musical journey at the age of 4 years from Srimati Padmini Sridharan. She received advanced training from Sangeeta Kalanidhi, Sri T.N. Sheshagopalan, and is currently learning from Prativadi Bhayankaram Sri P.B. Sri Rangachari, a prime disciple of T.N.S. Sir. She started her first public performance at the age of 14 years and still continuing to give concerts for the season at leading sabhas and also for Nada Neerajanam at Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. She has been singing for Bharatanatyam concerts for renowned artists. Aarti Govindarajan. On violin, we have M.S. Kannan. M.S. Kannan is a talented violin artist and hails from a renowned music family. He is the son of well-known legendary Mridanga Vidwan, Vagayakkarar and Kalaimamani, late Shri Madurai T. Srinivasan, popularly known as Seenakutti Sir. Kannan is the disciple of violin Vidwan, late Shri Kandadevi Chellam Iyengar. He has advanced training from Vidwan Shri C.N. Chandrasekhar, Bangalore. He has accompanied several dancers in India and abroad and traveled widely. He can also speak Japanese language. He had a great opportunity to work with Pandit Vijay Raghurao on Jungle Book production by the Cleveland Cultural Alliance, USA. He played the album of Tibetan Tone in Tokyo, Japan during the year July 1988 for Mr. Herman Bartolin, and he played the album of Clay Pigeon in Phoenix, USA during the year September 2016 for Mr. Ben Anderson. He is the recipient of the following prestigious awards: Satya Sunada Sundaram, Nadakala Sironmani, Madhuragita Vadini, Nada Swarupa Mamani, Sangeetagna, Nantri Vidya Kalanipuna. He is also the Asthana Vidwan for Sri Kamakoti Mutt. Chennai VDS Arts Academy honored him as the Best Violinist Award. M.S. Kannan on violin. On flute, today we have Vasant. Vasant is a renowned classical Carnatic flautist. He has won national and state level gold medals in the competitions held by both central and state governments. He has accompanied stalwarts like O.S. Tyagarajan and renowned dancers and has traveled many times to the USA. Since 2006, Vasant is an assistant professor of flute in the Department of Music of Annamalai University, Chidambaram, Tamil Nadu. He has dedicated his life to this art and has contributed his services as an accompanist in classical music programs. Vasant on flute. On Mridangam today, we have Mayavaram T. Vishwanathan. Mayavaram T. Vishwanathan is one of the most sought-after percussionists among us dancers. He has been widely appreciated for his flawless support in music and dance concerts. After graduating from the Tamil Nadu Music College in 1990, Vishwanathan has been receiving advanced training from the world-renowned Mridangam maestro Guruvayur Durai. He has performed with several leading musicians and dancers of today. He has extensively toured the USA and Europe and conducted workshops in Europe. Vishwanathan has also collaborated with top-ranking jazz artists in France. Vishwanathan on Mridangam.
One last sentence. We have to give a big round of applause to all these musicians who are supporting Niyati today. Excellent support.